In this video, I share my thoughts on the Maono USB plug-and-play condenser microphone and why I think it's one of the best investments you can make for your YouTube channel or podcast if you're on a budget. Let's not waste any time here. The Maono USB condenser microphone is a really good microphone, especially for the price. In the box, you get the microphone itself, a windscreen, pop filter, a desk mount, a shock mount, and a really long USB cable. As far as build quality goes, the microphone itself feels really solid and well constructed. It has a nice weight to it, and the metal body gives it a very premium feel. The desk mount it comes with is also sturdy and holds the microphone in place nicely. It's not like top tier, but it definitely gets the job done. And plus, it's easy to mount and attach to your desk. Now, onto the sound quality. As far as sound quality goes, this microphone sounds pretty good. Just be sure to use a wind muff or a pop filter because the p sounds really pop in this mic without them. In this video, I share my thoughts on the Maono USB plug-and-play condenser microphone and why I think it's one of the best investments you can make for your YouTube channel or podcast if you're on a budget. The microphone also has a really nice frequency response range, picking up a wide variety of sounds accurately. Another thing to keep in mind is that this Maono microphone is a cardioid microphone. Cardioid microphones are useful in situations where you want to pick up sounds from a specific direction, like right in front of the microphone, such as when you're speaking during a podcast interview or recording a single instrument in a studio. They are also good at rejecting sounds from the sides and the rear of the microphone, which can help in reducing background noise or isolating a specific sound source. Remember that you can actually use this microphone with your computer, your gaming console, and even your cell phone. Just remember that you will need an OTG adapter to connect the USB cable to your phone. Links for everything are in the description below. Overall, I'm really happy with the Maono USB microphone. It's well built and it sounds great. If you're in the market for a new budget-friendly USB microphone that sounds great and won't break the bank, I highly recommend giving the Maono a look. So there you have it, our review of the Maono USB plug-and-play condenser microphone. Hopefully you found this review helpful, and if so, do me a favor, it really helps out the channel. Give this video a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more videos that focus on helping you create better online content. Until next time, stay classy, creators.